Nobody told me event management was basically being everyone's personal assistant for free. That's what I used to think until I found a position that actually valued my skills. If you're an event coordinator in Bangalore with 3 years of experience, listen up. Our client is expanding team and we're looking for detail-oriented professionals like you. This isn't about running errands or being undervalued. We need energetic coordinators to manage events for large housing societies and communities. Multiple positions are available right now, offering real career advancement. If you're proactive and passionate about creating seamless experiences, send your CV to vikrant@iglobal.com today. Don't stay stuck in a role that doesn't appreciate you. Your future in event management starts here. Like, comment and share this post to help someone unlock their potential. Your next career move is just an email away.